Hey everyone, welcome back to SpiceFry. Now, since seafood season is picking up momentum, what we have for you today is a crispy fried prawns recipe that you can churn out in less than 30 minutes. Made with simple ingredients, this prawns dish is the perfect starter to accompany your main course. So let's see how it's made. Let's begin by quickly marinating our cleaned and deveined prawns. You'll need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon Szechuan sauce, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce, and an extra teaspoon of either one if you like your prawns to be spicy. Half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, the juice of 1/4 of a lemon, and half a teaspoon of demerara sugar. Mix well and let it marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. As the prawns marinate, we'll first grind regular cornflakes and transfer them onto a plate. Now we'll systematically set up 4 plates for the coating process of the prawns. Plate 1 has all-purpose flour or maida. Plate 2 has a beaten egg. Plate 3 has the grounded cornflakes. And plate 4 is kept empty so that we can use it to transfer the final coated prawns. Before we begin coating our prawns, let's add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to the maida and mix well. Followed by 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of red chili powder in the egg. Drop, dip, drop. These are the 3 things you need to remember while coating your marinated prawns. First, drop them in the maida and coat them well. Second, dip them in the egg and coat well. Third, drop them in the cornflakes and coat well. Do this for each of the prawns one by one and then transfer them all to a separate plate. And now finally, fry the prawns in hot oil until they become golden brown and crispy. Serve the prawns hot and crispy with the dipping sauce of your choice. Personally, we love to eat it with mayo, so you can give it a try as well. Do let us know what you think about this recipe in the comments below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share before you go. Thanks for watching our video and stay tuned for more.